What is going on, guys? I'm back with another video, and I first off want to start by apologizing to anybody that I made feel uncomfortable when I didn't wear a shirt in the last video. I scared away one viewer. I hope you guys enjoyed the content for what it was, but as you can see, I got my one-piece shirt on, and today, to get serious, I want to talk about time frames. And before I start even talking about Forex time frames, I want to explain to you my idea of time. Okay, when I relate how fast our life moves and how fast we receive things in this generation, so that's relating to, let's say, orders. Amazon allows a Prime subscription that you can get your item the next day. Okay, a text message is sent and received instantly. Okay, a lot of the things we do in our life are almost instant. All right. Investing before, you had to call up somebody on the phone to get your entry point in. Understand that. To enter a market, you had to make a phone call. So instant market execution is absolutely amazing. And there are strategies you can use in instant market execution to make money. And what these people like to call these strategies are scalping. Okay, and scalping, what it is, it's short-term trends in the market that people make money off of. All right, now I'll explain to you. When I first started off trading, all I wanted to do was make fast money. I started off doing binary options, 1 minute strategy. Understand that from what and how I was built subconsciously, we always want to make fast money. Okay, so with that being said, time frames. You have the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 15 minute, and you can adjust these on TradingView accordingly. But on my MT4, this is what I have. I have the 30 minute, okay? I have the hour, I have the 4 hour, I have the day, I have the week, and I have the month. All right? Those are the time frames I have on my MT4. The biggest players are playing here. Okay? Those are the biggest players are playing. Those are the longest setups. Those are the setups that are going to take the longest to play out. Understand that. This is where the money is. This is where the long term is. This is where our brain is. Literally, if you want to call it that. People in this market, because of the way we are structured and how fast things come to us, we want to make fast money. Okay? I had a gentleman make a comment on my 100 to 30,000, my Hunter FX video exposed, that he said I blew a few accounts and then thought I was a mature trader. Not a matured trader, still maturing and still teaching myself that the world around us is fast, Forex is slow. It's a slow game. You can do this. You can play the 15 minute, you can play the half an hour, you can play the hour. No problem. I like to play personally. If I'm scalping, I'm sitting on that 15-minute chart all day. All day. Looking for 4 nice 15-minute candles to grab maybe 10 to 15 pips at most. That's what I'm doing if I'm scalping. If I'm trying to slowly grow an account, this is where I'm at. 15 minute. That's my analysis. The 4 hour. Okay. This is my confirmation. Okay. And this would be my entry. All right. My analysis is done on the 4 hour. Sometimes I'll even jump up to the daily. All right. That's if I'm trying to slowly grow an account. Like I said, if I'm scalping, I'm on the 15. When I get to the realm where I'm just placing trades and I'm living my life to the fullest, this is where I'll be. the 1 month, the 1 week, and the day. Because these setups may take a lot longer to play out. Sometimes they take years. You got to think about that. Some people are waiting for certain setups for years. And that's not a problem. If you start to think of the Forex realm as fast, easy money, understand people that sell signals and sell courses, they're going to make fast, easy money. There's always a new sucker looking to buy a course. And I'm not calling people who buy courses suckers. But there's always a new person stepping into this realm. People growing up from 15 to 18, depending if you're in the UK, I think it's like 16 you could start trading. There's always going to be a new person hoping for a Forex dream. So no matter what, that person's always going to have a new person to sell a course to. But as you grow in this market, you'll begin to realize that you don't need to buy information, that you just need to work hard. There's no holy grail, okay? So remember what I said about this, guys. When it comes to time frames, I gave you my time frame that I like to work with and what I do with the time frames. It would be the same thing scaling upwards, right? If I was on scalping, let's say, I would be doing my analysis on maybe the half an hour, okay? Looking for my confirmation on the 15 and then entering on the 1 minute chart, all right? But I don't do that. That's binary option stuff, 1 minute trading. That stuff is not sustainable, guys. If you want to grow a fast account really quick, hell yeah, do that. Turn $100 to like what I did, 30K. I turned it to more than that, but we don't have to speak about that. But understand what I'm saying. Like, once you do something like that, it's a double-edged sword in Forex. You can make that money just as fast and you can lose it just as fast. All right? So keep that in mind, guys. Know and understand that subconsciously we are built fast. We are built very fast. And being built fast, you're always wanting to do things really quick. You need to slow down. You need to slow down. Take one step back. It's not going to come as instant as a text message. It's not going to come as fast as your Uber order. It doesn't work like that. So like I said, subconsciously we are trained to be fast. With Forex, you need to train yourself to slow down. All right? 4-hour time frame is where I'm usually sitting at if I'm trying to slowly grow an account. So I'm looking at the 4, I'm looking at the 1, and I'm looking at the 15. Okay? If I'm scalping, I am strictly on the 15. Looking for support and resistance setups on the 15. Alright guys, I don't know how long this video stretched out to. I hope you enjoyed this one. God bless you. As usual, it's going to be a quick one. I'm just going to throw it up onto YouTube. I love you. Like, comment, and subscribe. Dislike if you don't like the video. And if you dislike, leave a comment. I'd like to speak to you. Don't dislike and run away from the comment section. Leave a comment, okay? And if you like the video, also leave a comment with any questions that you guys may have, okay? One love. I'll see you in the next video.